guys, today we're going to do a quick little video. I picked up a set of Dol Fin hydrofoils for my outboard, and it's basically just two fins that go onto the lower end of the outboard, and it's going to pretty much act like a wing where it's going to give lift to the back. So when you're out and you give it a little throttle, it's going to come up on a plane a lot easier. It's going to give you a little bit better economy. I don't know how much, but it does definitely help with getting up on a plane and handling a little bit. So it's basically just a couple of bolts and nuts, and it's not a big deal. So let's just pop this on real quick. Alright, so what we're going to do is we have a left and a right. Okay, and when you set it up, you basically want to have it so that the fin is right over the prop. You don't want to have it hanging way out in the back. You want to have it, you know, right above the prop. And basically it just kind of slides on here. And you just want to kind of line them up nice and straight. Okay, so I'm going to make sure it's tight up here because this does taper off in the back, so this will be more straight. That looks pretty good. And then we're going to just mark the holes, drill them out. Alright, should fit no problem now, and it does. Okay, we're going to slide this back on here. Drop one bolt in, drop the other one in. Okay, we're going to put a washer and a nut on the bottom. These are locking nuts, so that's good. I don't have to worry about them backing out on us. Two on that side, two on this side. Okay. And that's basically it, guys. Alright, so we got the fins on there. These are actually a little bit flexible, so if they take a hit or anything, that's fine. They have some resistance to them. So now, next time I go out, we'll see how she performs. See if we can get up on a plane a little bit quicker, a little bit easier. I think it'll be a good enhancement to the boat. Alright guys, so if you're thinking about it, you can see it's a very simple job. Basically just line it up where you want it, drill a couple of holes, screw it in. Real simple. Alright, so if you liked the video, give a thumbs up, give a like, give a share, and I'll catch you on the next one.